Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali and in this tutorial we are going to work on the product details activity. We have to complete it. I hope you remember in the previous tutorial we have created our this product details activity and we also design it. Now in this video we will retrieve the data and display it here on our product details activity. Now for that, before we proceed, let me tell you that is whenever a user click on any product here on this our home page, then it will display only that product in the product details activity, so that the user can see the details and also the user can choose the quantity he want to purchase. Here you can see this. So yeah, let's do that. So first of all, for that we need to go to the home activity, and here on our home activity, when, as I told you, a user will click on any product here on the home page. So if a user click on any product, as you know that each product carry his unique ID, so we have to get that ID. So on our home activity, what we are going to do is, here in the on start we have this method on bind view holder, and here we can simply set a click listener on the item view. So we can say holder dot item view dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and now we will send the user to this product details activity. So we can say intent equals to new intent. We are on the home activity and we want to send the user to the product details activity. And before I proceed, let me tell you that we are not uploading the videos from last couple of days because my health condition was really bad. But from the next week we will start uploading the video tutorials regularly, and we will complete this Android e-commerce app, which is just like Amazon and AliExpress. We will complete this app in this month. That is, we will allow a user to allow the user to purchase. After that, we will allow a user to add items from the purchase products, or you can say add items to their cart, and from there, from the cart, he can then proceed to the final play, to the order, that is to purchase the products. And once we do that, then we will complete the admin section, where the admin will verify the user orders and then sending the products to the user home address. So yeah, we will be completing in this month. So yeah, now we can say intent dot put extras, we can say PID, and to get the product ID we can simply, by using the model object, we can say model dot get PID, which will get the product ID, that is the ID, the product, that specific product basically, on which a user will click, or let's say you can say which a user will purchase, or you can say add to cart. So yeah, and then we can start activity for the intent. Now we need to receive this, to get this ID on our product details activity. So here we can create a variable, string type variable, let's initialize it with null, and here we can say product ID equals to get intent dot get string extras, and here we need to give the same ID, this name, which is PID. So let's pass that here and then put a semicolon. And now we need to retrieve the that specific product details by using this product ID. So here we can create a method. We can simply say get product details, and we will pass this product ID to it. And also let's create method, and now we can create a database reference for the products node. So we can give it a name as product reference firebase database get instance dot get reference dot child, and the child will be our products node. Product reference dot child, and we are searching for this specific product. Okay, so we can pass the product ID to it. Now make sure to put a semicolon here, and we can say if data snapshot exists. Products equals to data snapshot dot get value products dot class. Now we have to set the details, so we can say product name dot set text products dot get pname, and the same we will do for the product price and the description dot get price dot get description, and the product image by using the Picasso library we will display it on our image view. So yeah, that's it. Now let's test the app. So you can see the app is running now successfully, and now let's click on this first product and the app crash. Now let's check what's the error. So we can check the logcat, and here you can see the error is on our product details activity. Okay, and if you little bit scroll above, here you can see it says caused by Android view in flat exception, which is on the XML file line 72 binary XML file line, this one. Okay, so let's go to the product details activity XML file. Now let's minimize this, and line 72, which is this one, action button code. So for now what I'm going to do is I will simply comment out this code for now, but as you know, in the next video tutorial we will be working on the cart, so then we will remove the errors from this floating action button. I mean, we will I will show you guys that is what is basically the error, or you can say the bug which caused the app crash, I mean because of this floating action button. But for now let's ignore it. Okay, so in order to comment out this whole code, first of all select this floating action button design code, and then press Control button on your keyboard and then /, and it will comment out this specific code. Okay, here you can see this. Now go to the product details activity, also comment out this floating action button, and then this one, which is our, sorry, not this, yes, this is our floating action button. Okay, so comment out this one also, and now we can test our app again, and you can see our app is running now successfully. So I'm going to click on this iPhone 6 new, and here we go. Here you can see this is the product picture, the product name, product description, the price, and from here the user can choose the quantity, that is how much iPhones the user wants to purchase, or you can say add to cart. First obviously he will add the products to the cart, and as you know that for now we comment out the design code for the cart button, but in the next tutorial we will add that, I mean we will fix that. Okay, so I mean we will be completing the cart feature, and also let's check it for the other products, that is either it is working fine or not for the other ones. So I'm going to click on this one, MacBook Pro, and here we go, MacBook Pro. This is the description, the price, and then you can choose any quantity you want. The same, let's check it for this. You can see this, I mean this is perfect, this is amazing. So yeah, that's it for this video, and in the next video tutorial what we will be doing is that we will allow a user to add any product from the from here to the cart. That is, let's say user want to purchase this product, Then he will simply click on the cart button, and this product will be added to the cart of that specific user. And if the user want to purchase iPhone, then he can also click on the cart button, and he can add this iPhone to his cart also. And then we will on the cart activity which we will create, there a user will basically finalize his final order, that is what he is going to purchase. A user can also remove the products from the cart if he do not want to purchase. So yeah, we will be working on that in the next video tutorial. And let me tell you again, from next week we will be uploading the video tutorials for this e-commerce app regularly. I mean, we will complete this app in this month. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and bye for now.